Ready, we ready, we ready for golf. We ready, we ready, we ready for golf. Great weather for golf, huh, Troy? Wow. Ready to listen and process?
Yeah.
Ready to have a good day?
Yeah.
Ready to hit the flag?
Yeah.
Ready to hit the golf dome?
Yeah.
All right. Time to show them how to move.
Joseph Damo.
Joseph Bramlett. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Give it a ride, Damo. Excellent. Damo's hitting the back of that dome back there with no problem. Good shot, Damo. Do this. We're really great at hitting this side of the ball. Now let's worry about getting through on this side of the ball, okay? We're really great at getting the club and matching it up. Now I want you to play this side of the ball and extend out. I want you to extend the club out as you hit that side of the ball.
Nobody.
Okay, let's do it. No, that's not slow, Troy. I want to see it slow. Super slow. Stretch out like we was doing today. Stop, hold, hold. Coming down slow. Coming down, extend, extend, out to the flag. Excellent. Troy Watson, H4. Excellent shot. That is exactly what I wanted. Nice extension on the ball, sir.
I got too far out.
That's good. The whole body. Whole body swing. Excellent shot. Yes, sir. Show him how to move, baby. Yes, sir.
Grip right here.
That's your nice grip right there. That's an excellent grip. I love it. You keep that grip forever, okay? Awesome shot. Gorgeous. Unbelievable, Troy. Wow. I don't know what I can add to that. Target ball. Love the way his head swivels on his head. Target ball. Can't teach that, my friends. Can't teach it. Outstanding shot. Self-determination. Self-determination. This is all subconscious, everybody. This is all in the subconscious. Spectacular. Flown 70 yards straight in the air with draw. The amazing Troy Watson, 4 years old. Show him how to move, baby. Without a doubt. Amongst the best 4-year-old golfers in the world. Troy Watson. Livonia, Michigan. USA. Awesome. Absolutely magnificent, my friends. Unbelievable sound coming off this club. Wow. I'm going to let the viewing audience tell me how that one is. The amazing Troy Watson. Living the impossible. Awesome shot! Wow! Spectacular! Troy Watson knocks down another flag from 50 yards. Absolutely spectacular.
I hit it fast.
Yes, you did. Knocked it down square in the center of the flag from 50 yards, 4 years old. Absolutely incredible, my friends. The legend has begun.